Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when EyeTV4 is not working with macOS Ventura on your Mac. Now the first step is to use little antenna that was included in the box. So when you bought it, you must have received an antenna. So you can use that antenna and then check. Still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go to this website. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Now on this website over here you can see EyeTV4 64-bit Mac version. So click on it. Now once you click on it, here you can see EyeTV4 new. What's new with this release? Supports macOS Ventura 13.0. So scroll down over here. You can see download EyeTV4 version 4.0.0 8528. This is the build 8528, and this is working for many users, so it might work for you. So click on download. Once the download is complete, run the file, install it, and then check. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can look at the finder on the left hand side menu. If you look at the finder, just here you can see under locations, you will see EyeTV4 8528. You can click on it. Now once you click on it, on the right hand side you will see EyeTV app. So you can drag this EyeTV app to the application folder, and from the application folder you can try launching EyeTV4 app, and it should work. So this is how you can get EyeTV4 working with macOS Ventura. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.